Hi viewers, let us see the servo motor operation using TinkerCAD simulation tool. So here we can track this Arduino Uno board and servo motor. Both can be tracked from this component area and place it on this area. Servo motor. You can search from this component. So here there are three terminals in the servo motor. One terminal is named as ground and another is power and the last pin is signal. So from this signal pin can be connected with this PWM pin. Here I can assign pin number 3, so which is connected with this servo signal, and the ground pin is connected with this ground pin of Arduino, and the power pin is connected with .5 volt. After that, that's all the connection of servo motor. We can name it as servo motor in TinkerCAD. Next we move to coding area. So from block we can select the text and continue this. So here default coding is available. So in this we have to include our server motor in this library file. So for this we have to use hash include servo.h. So we know very well whenever we write the different programs in C, hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, hash include math.h, hash include string.h. Likewise, lot of library files we have added. Like this, this servo motor function also included in this library file. For this hash include servo.h syntax should be added here. After that, servo is denoted by some variable small s. So these two syntax must be included in this program. Next we move to void setup. So within this void setup we no need to use pin mode and all. Here we are going to represent only s dot attach of 3. So that means here I represent PWM digital pin which is used to connect this servo motor with this Arduino Uno board. So s dot attach of 3 is a source code for mentioning or representing the servo motor. Next we can give the serial dot begin of 9600. This syntax can be used for representing the or displaying the value which is the speed of the motor in serial monitor. So next we move to void loop. So in this void loop we are going to use loops, that is for loop must be used. So in servo motor, the nature of servo motor is it can be able to rotate up to 180 degree. So for clockwise 180 degree and anti-clockwise 180 degree, the motor should be rotated. So for this we have to use this for loop for I equal to 0. I equal to 0. Before that we have to represent the data type of I int. So integer I equal to 0 and I greater than 180. Next I plus plus. So this is for one rotation. So less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Here if I mention less than or equal to 180, next I plus equal to 10. So that means here I represent the motor rotation from 0 to 180 in one direction. For clock wise direction means 10 degree values can be increased. Similarly for reverse 10 degree can be subtracted. So for this we can use this for loop. So for int I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 180, I plus equal to 10. So after that we can write this value. So write of, don't forget to put this open curly braces and all, s dot write of, because s is the variable for servo motor. So s dot write of I value. So I. After this we can give some delay. So delay I here only give 500. That means only half second can be taken for rotating. So after this I can print this value, serial dot println of I. So what is the exact value? 10 increased value and decreased value can be displayed in the serial monitor. So this is for one case. So similarly again for I equal to 180, next I greater than or equal to 0, next I minus equal to 10. This is semicolon. So open the braces and s dot write of I, next delay of 500, next serial dot println of I, next close braces. So that's all about our program. So now we can compile the program. So start simulation. Here one mistake is that hash include servo.h, hash include servo.h, servo. Here I mentioned small s, servo capital S. So now again start simulation. Again we have some error, I think so. We can check it now. I equal to int. Here we missed to put the integer. That is data type declaration is missing in this for loop. Now I put this int. Now our program is executed. Servo motor is now rotated in 180 degree angle. So for clockwise and anti-clockwise, this value can be displayed, rotated. Now we can see this value in serial monitor also. How the value can be increased 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 till 180 and 180, 170, 160. Likewise, the values also decreased. So this is a concept for servo motor rotation. So simultaneously we can monitor what is the exact value for the rotated degree which is displayed in the serial monitor, and also the rotation of the motor is displayed in this servo motor in simulation. So this is a concept. So whenever you learn anything from any videos or some other persons, the clear-cut information is very, very important for all the learners, because while the running of our program, unfortunately I make some mistake. So that mistake can easily identified, because if you put some any syntax error or something is missing, means easily, which is indicated in this command window. So during compilation, so automatically you can solve this problem or correct the error, and finally you will execute the program. So all the learners can understand this concept clearly, which will help you to make a project in good way. Thank you all. If you like this video really, kindly subscribe my channel and put likes for this video. Thank you all.